if you're an expat here in Dubai, you already know the struggle. Emiratization, quotas that they've got to meet, salary competition, visa rules that tie into your residency and therefore your job. It's really tough. What if I told you, though, that there are ways that you can not only, I guess, try and survive, but actually thrive? So let me go through a couple of things that I have gone through in the past in my other videos, but let me unpack a couple more in a little bit more detail. So yes, companies have got to hire UAE nationals for certain roles, but here's the thing. These quotas focus on sectors like HR, banking, government relations, and so therefore try to avoid these and instead target industries where expats can dominate, such as startups, green energy, healthcare, the tech scenes in AI specialists. There's lots of different AI engineers that are required. Hospitals need digital health experts. So they're not just open, they're desperate for global talent. So specialize in a niche skill, for example, like Python, renewable energies, or LOT, smart logistics, and you can become, hopefully, irreplaceable. And you don't need a PhD or certifications from certain courses to be able to land these roles. Another factor to consider is ESG and compliance. Make sure that you are really fully equipped and a subject matter expert in that area. And then companies are less likely to have those certain demands for UAE nationals who might not have that experience. And that's a way that you can get around the Emiratization. So there's a shortage of cybersecurity, blockchain developers. So if you've got those skills or you need to just brush up on them, then make sure that you really close that loop and start applying and proactively pitching yourself to those companies. So a couple of loopholes as well that you could consider is freelance visas or platforms, and then you can search for roles on Go Freelance. Make sure that you've got your own visa so that the company doesn't need to then sponsor you. You could apply for a golden visa. Have a look at the rules and regulations to be able to do that. Remote work visa, so earn a foreign salary while living in Dubai itself. You've just got to prove that you're earning around $3,500 a month. And then you can still live in the country and working remotely from your other job. Join communities like Dubai Tech Entrepreneurs or Abu Dhabi FinTech Hub. Go to pitch nights. What else? Yeah, LinkedIn, certainly that's something, sort of a no-brainer, but use the advanced search engine. Search in Arabic, for example. Sometimes you might find something that's a little bit unique if you can understand Arabic, or use a language model to be able to help you. And then there might be an English version of something translated. The UAE will always prioritize nationals, and that's not changing, but the market needs you, your skills, your expertise in those sectors that are short on talent. So I guess just in a summary, really specialize in a niche skill in the UAE that they can't source locally, or it's harder to source locally. Network in sectors that are shielded from Emiratization, and it's not just about fairness, it's about strategy. So treat your time here as a career accelerator, not just a finale, and build your expertise. Bank on your savings because you're going to need a bit of cash behind you while you're job searching. Go out, celebrate the small wins that you do make.